Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Well, it's not really a 3 stars puzzle. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, you are interested in a 4-star Sudoku. This one will be number 7407. 7407. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 3 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 4 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. Correction, we have here 4 ones. Alright, so the ones and the sevens are a majority. Can I start with a 1? Yes, 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 7? 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row. So third row, the only place level 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in that row. So the row between the only place level 7 should be here. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Still, I cannot use the 1. Need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers in this row? 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1, 1. Okay, and now, interesting. 1, 1. Okay. 2, 2. How about the number? 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level 6 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left with a 9. Should be there. Two numbers left in this column. Four numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And we have a pair, the 2 and the 5 in this column, the 2 and the 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. As a pair. And now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have 3 and the 6 in this row, third row, so no 3 and the 6 in these two boxes. 3 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So what are the other two numbers? In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. Two boxes. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. In this row, the 9 in... Sorry, the 1. In this row, so... No. The 9 in one of those two boxes. In the third row, the 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only two places left for 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column? No 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Alright, need a 1 here. Need a 6. Need a 6. Need a 6. 6. Well. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. Alright. And now, one box left in this big square for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2. Need an 8 here. And I need a 4 here. Well, we have a pair. The 2 and the 4 in the first row. The 2 and the 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And look, we have a 2 and the 4 in this column. So no 2 and the 4 in this box. 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number. I believe the 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. In the second column, should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Then. Let me see. Need a 6 here. And we need a 3. Need a 1. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2. 3 is missing. The 4. The 5. The 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mod. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 6. We have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes and there. Alright. 6-6. Then. Well. Let me think. Two numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only two places left for 6 should be here or there. See, 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Right. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. From that row, the only two places left for 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 place level 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. And now. And now. How about? Well, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row. Middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So no. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Cannot believe this. Again, faster than 50 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. 0 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Wow. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.